Southern African Fraud Prevention Service revealed that fraudulent incidents in the country have increased by 32%. One of the most prevalent banking frauds is when consumers receive calls from perpetrators pretending to be from the bank's fraud department. These consumers are then instructed to move the funds into a safe account, which is usually a third-party account. In some cases, the consumer is instructed to approve the reversal of supposed frozen funds. But with the growing awareness and investment in new technology by banks, criminals are now adopting new tactics. Consumers are being kidnapped and forced to transfer money using their banking apps. Experts say consumers have the option to reveal or hide some accounts on their apps to protect themselves.
First of all, we would recommend consumers to download their bank's latest banking apps, which is loaded with security features and capabilities. Carefully read the approval requests that you receive in your banking app to ensure that you approve transactions that you intend to process, as opposed to moving funds to third-party accounts. Never pay money into a third-party account, and if immediate action for the approval of fraud reversals or payments are required, drop the call and phone your bank's fraud hotline immediately.
According to the Southern African Fraud Prevention Service, money muling incidents increased by 62% compared to the year before. Money muling is usually directly linked to human trafficking, terrorism and money laundering. Consumers who have lost their phones have been urged to inform their banks so that their banking apps can be disconnected.
We definitely saw an increase where cell phones are stolen, and then by using the app on that stolen phone, the fraudsters or the people who steal the phone then get access to the bank account. My suggestion to people is, because we're very quick to phone the cell phone provider to stop the cell phone, but what we didn't realize, and we as consumers need to consider, is to phone your bank first, so that the bank can actually disconnect the link on the device from your banking app.
Employment application fraud has also increased significantly.
If you are letting somebody else make use of your bank account, then you become a money mule, and we have done research on this to see what these monies are used for. And money muling can be directly linked to human trafficking, terrorism, money laundering. So people sometimes think it's an innocent crime, but it's really not. The consequences are devastating. But I think what is very concerning is that we have seen a employment application where people lie about their qualifications. That increased by 106% from last year. It could be a sign of the times, that people are more desperate maybe, but definitely a significant increase.
According to the latest Interpol report, South Africa tops Africa in cyber threats and is still third in the world, with 230 million threats detected. Gauteng has the highest statistics of fraud, with 59% of cases reported, followed by KwaZulu-Natal with 18%. Naledi Matlapeng, SABC News, Johannesburg.